Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So tomorrow is ANZAC Day, a very important public holiday on the Australian calendar, where we step back and remember those that have fallen and those that have served for our country, both within the country and overseas. Now, we are not open tomorrow. There will be the phone systems will be closed, the shop will be closed, and we won't be sending out any freight. Now, on the freight, there'll be no freight going out on Thursday or Friday, because we don't like shipping on Friday, because then it's sitting in couriers' facilities for the weekend, and we're never a big fan of that. It brings in security issues and those types of things. So there will be no shipping done on Thursday or Friday. So if you're waiting for something and it hasn't been shipped yet, you're going to find it's going to have that couple of day delay on that. So I do apologise, but it is actually for everyone's best interest for that one. So I hope you have a very great, enjoyable, I suppose. I'm not sure if that's the correct term for ANZAC Day, but you have a great day anyway. And we will see you very, very soon.